What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to add music to Instagram videos. Firstly, get up into the plus icon on your right upper side, then go for story, for example. Go and find out a video or just go record it right now. Then you need simply turn the sound off if you want, or if you can just mix the sound that has been in the video, the real sound, or it can be also added a song with from selecting the music side right off the stickers. Here on the search box you can type for the music, you can go for browse, or I will go on which are based for you this song. As you can see now, it has more length of this song story side. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.